So hi everyone. Today we're here with
Santosh Basappa, Likhit Ravindra.
Ravindra Kumar.
okay, and I'm Ananya. So can you just tell me how your day has been so far?
Oh, it was very wonderful and excited. We were very excited when we got the news that you are going to open a new branch here in Terahalli.
Okay.
It was good, nice. It's a very scenic place, really, and the theme and the concept is very good here. The amenities are we like to match the whatever is going to be proposed. That is very good.
Yeah.
ಇದು ನೇಚರ್ ಹತ್ರ ಇರೋದು ನಮಗೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಖುಷಿ.
ಹೌದು ಹೌದು. Previous customers ಅಲ್ವಾ? Okay.
We are customer of Aira to Kanakpura.
Aira to
Phase two.
Kanakpura.
Yeah.
So that is on one end. This is on another. Main
So we came here mainly to see what is the difference and is it worth to going ahead of a second
Purchase
property.
it.
Yeah. So that is the reason we mainly come here, mainly to compare both and think about it to go for it or not and those
ನನಗೆ
things.
ಅನ್ಸೋದು ಪರಿಸರ ಹತ್ರ ತುಂಬಾ ಇದೆ.
ಹೌದು.
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ಬಟ್ ಇದು ಇನ್ನ ನೇಚರ್ ಹತ್ರ.
Nature.
True.
ಮತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಲುವೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದೆ.
ಹೌದು ಹೌದು.
The stream is very good. The concept. Yeah, you didn't let it go, but you are building it and making it
natural
beautiful.
water bodies
Natural
ಎಲ್ಲ
water.
ಇದೆ. Okay. So now if anyone has to make a purchase for managed farmland and they're hesitant, what should be the reasons that they should go ahead with that investment?
See, I always think like what you want first. If you want nature first, then of course this is the right choice. And it is well managed by, I know Madan sir personally, right? So he manages it very well. I know my first phase, second phase of IRA is managed so well by Madan sir. So I would of course go by that.
Yeah.
So that is
Mainly we buy as an independent site or land, agriculture land. It will be very difficult to manage. Manage farmland concept is good that we are in a family kind of thing. Everybody knows each other, and our land we know that it will be maintained.
Yeah.
Whenever you come, there will be a facility where we can stay. No need to build our facility, but there will be some facility to stay and have food and have fun and go for weekends and long weekends kind of thing.
resort agriculture dual benefit.
Yeah, we can feel both.
ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಪ್ಲೇ ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Especially I like cricket and football and all the playing stuff.
So it would be nice to bring your friends over here on the weekend and all that.
The tough box.
So he gets to spend his childhood also here, and when he grows up, he can enjoy the returns as well.
It's very good.
Concept ಜಾಸ್ತಿ
Yeah.
ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗಿದೆ.
Vacation, holidays, spending time, it's very good.
ಸಿಟಿ ಹತ್ರನೂ ಇದೆ, ನೇಚರ್ ಹತ್ರ
ಹೌದು,
ಎರಡು ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ.
And ಇದು ಪೂರ್ತಿ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ತರ ಇದೆ. I like farming. So like ತುಂಬಾ ನನಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
This is actually special, because nowadays kids do not know the concept of farming or anything like that, and it's great that he's getting to experience all this now and he knows the value of it.
ಖಂಡಿತ.
So
Nice
yeah,
place.
that was it with our customers, more like our family now. So thank you so much for coming today, and thank you for giving
It's
me
a
the
very
chance
personal touch from the members of MOX.
Yeah.
MOX group, but definitely. Yeah. So
Everybody and
even MOX sir also.
Mox
It's very good. MOX sir. So it's very good. We liked it.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.
Thank you.
Thank you.